In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to monday.com with ease. Whether you're collaborating on projects, organizing important documents, or simply need a centralized TE space for your files, monday.com makes file management straightforward. We're going to go through this process step by step, making sure you feel confident to do it on your own by the end of our session. Firstly, it's crucial that your board has a file column ready to receive the files you intend to upload. To do this, you'll want to begin by adding a new column. This is a simple action on monday.com. Just locate the plus icon, usually found at the far right of your board's existing columns. Give that a click and you'll see a menu of column types to choose from. For our needs, we're looking at the Files column. Select it and you'll notice a new column appear, ready to accept all kinds of files. With your Files column successfully added, it's time to bring in your documents. Click on any cell within that column where you wish to upload a file. Don't worry if it looks empty for now. We're about to change that. A drop-down menu will greet you, offering several uploading options. Whether your files are nestled on your computer or stored across various cloud services, rest assured that monday.com provides flexibility to accommodate them. From this drop-down, you can choose the source from which you'd like to pull your files. Options might include direct upload from your computer, or linkage from cloud storage platforms such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Pick the source where your desired file is residing. Now that you've selected your file source, simply choose the specific file or files you wish to upload. You might be organizing documents, photos, spreadsheets, or any other kind of file. Once selected, your files will begin uploading into the designated cell within your Files column. This process usually completes quite swiftly. However, if you're uploading larger items, a little patience might be required. You'll know the upload is successful once you see the file name or a preview visible within the cell. If you ever need to make changes, remember that you can easily delete or replace files just as seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. A few simple steps to upload your files into monday.com. Streamlining your workflow and keeping all your important documents neatly in place. Files are now efficiently integrated into your monday.com board, ready to be shared with your team or referenced at your convenience. I hope this tutorial has cleared up any uncertainties you may have had, empowering you to leverage monday.com's capabilities to the fullest. Thanks for tuning in, happy organizing, and see you in the next video.